Hey guys, welcome to another video. In this video I'm going to show you how you can convert videos to mp3 or audio file. Okay, so if you're looking for how to convert YouTube videos to mp3, then you can watch my other video by just tapping on this I button. In this video specifically I just want to show you if you have an mp4 format and if you want to convert that to audio file, then this video is for you. Okay, so first of all you have to open Google Chrome or any browser, and here just search for video to mp3 converter. Okay, so there are two ways to convert a video to mp3 format. Either you can install an app from the App Store or you can just do it online. I personally prefer to do it online. So you may see a lot of websites to convert a video to mp3, but I personally have checked all the websites and I like this website. Okay, so you just have to click on this option. I will also give this link in the description, and here you just have to upload your file. Okay, so I will just click on this open files, and from here you have to go to the files and you have to upload the video which you want to convert. Okay, so I will go to the album. So after selecting the video, you can see my video is uploading. So here in this website you can do a lot of other stuffs, like you can just create this to an iPhone ringtone, m4 file or the FLAC file. Okay, so here I just want to keep it in the mp3 format. And also if you want to increase the quality of your mp3 format, then you can just scroll this icon to good or best. Okay, so for now I just want to keep it on standard, and here you can see we have got the advanced settings and you can do bunch of different stuffs from here. So I just want to simply convert it into mp3 format. So the video is converted to audio within seconds. So the last step is you have to download this audio file. Now it's done. You can just open your audio format from here, and this video is converted into audio. Okay, so that's how you can convert a video file to audio. I hope you have found this video helpful. For more videos like this, please subscribe to my YouTube channel.